Hey guys and welcome back. In this video I'm going to try to show a list of items in a screen, which is really helpful sometimes when you want to show the list of maybe text or contacts in the screen. Let's see what I create a simple project for you. As you see, it's a simple project which has two widgets. One of them is the default widget of our IDE, a Flutter, which is a material app, team, and home, and a simple widget, a stateless widget, which is just a scaffold and a center text. Let's create an app for it. I want to first create an app bar for to show this beautiful little bit of our app. Okay, title. I want to have a title, which is a text for it. I'm going to use, for example, contacts. Okay, and I want to center the title, which is going to be true. Okay, Control S. As you see, we have a super beautiful app bar. Let's change the color. I want to change it to color to some other text. Let's see. It's not green. It's better. I want to change the color of this context to the white. Okay, style, text style, and change the color to white. Okay, it's good. And in this part, I'm going to first create a list of contacts. Let's do it over here. I'm going to create a list of strings, which is going to be contacts, and let's do that. Okay. First one, I'm going to use the name my name as a first contact, and then I'm going to use Sader, for example, Alireza. I think that's enough for testing. Let's add um, John, for example, Johnson, some American name, maybe Johnson, or even Trump. Not bad. And I'm going to change this body for now. I want to the names should be placed below each other in the row, in the column. So I'm going to first create a column which has a parameter called children, which takes a list of items. List of widgets are exactly what we say. We cannot use contacts direct over here because the contacts is not a list of widgets. There are two ways actually to show the list of items in the Flutter. One of them is like this. First create a column and use map function to do that. For example, I'm going to use map contacts dot map, which takes an element as the call as the intake, and we can create a widgets. I want to create, for example, a text, a, a simple text which takes an email. Okay, what happened? Cannot be list of widgets. Let me see. Okay, let's change this to list because we mapped this one as it takes an iterable. Okay, and it need a list of widget, not iterable of text. Need to list it to need to be just the list. So I will change it to the list. As you see, we have we use this one to show the list in the our contacts, but there's some very big problem right now. For example, let me add this one. Let me change it. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm going to add a couple of times. Let's see what happens. No, it's not enough. Let me add some more, text username. Let's see. As you see, there's has some overflow by pixel because currently the screen doesn't fit the amount of contacts we have over here. So that's a big problem for us. And we do not have the scrolling effect, and that's not very beautiful at all. So in order to avoid this problem, we can make some changes. We use this column and this map function to create a list of items and show them on the screen. But if the items are more than the amount of the amount of height of the screen, this causes an overflow in the Flutter. So in order to avoid this problem, we need to use another widget. Let me remove this for now. I'm going to remove the column as well. So I'm going to use a widget called list view, which has some we have method. One of them is builder. This builder takes a, let me see, what does it take? I think it's an context and int index. So it takes a context and index, and this one returns a widget. I'm going to return a text which is going to be this contacts and contacts and this one index. So this one return a string just by this index. And also we need to specify the amount of item count. I'm going to add contacts dot length. Okay, as you see, we fit the whole items on the screen, and also we were able to add a scrolling effect, and this and our flow by pixel was removed. So we fixed two problems at the same time by using the list view. So the list view is very amazing widget that is can be used to show the items in a list lazily. What does lazily actually mean? Lazy, it means that there is no, when we scroll, the items at the top which is not are not shown, and right now would be completely destroyed, and only when we scroll up, the first item would be created, would be built. So the amount of memory usage in the lazily in the list view are a lot less than using it in the past, like mapping the items in a list and showing on the column. But most of the time it depends on situation. We need to use the appropriate method to show the items in the list. I think that's enough for now. If you have some problem, please write a comment down in this video. And also, if you like my video, please consider liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding.